You might be wondering how to exactly stop Rainbow Six Siege here from crashing on your PC. Well, there are a few settings here that you may want to check and you need to update. Now, in order for you to fix this problem, you need to access your game settings file here. Now, how do you do that? Well, typically, if you have like Rainbow Six Siege installed in your PC, like for example, you have this on Steam, what you need to do is you want to go and just right click on it and you want to go and just go to manage and go to the option here that says browse local files. Now, once you've done that, you just need to look for a very specific file here. So, as an example, like for example, this one. So, you need to access one of the folders there and look something like game settings.ini. Now, the thing with this one, you don't double click this as is. You need to right click on it and you want to go and choose the option here that says open with, choose notepad. Now, inside Notepad, this is what you're going to see. It's going to be these settings here. Now, there's going to be a lot of settings that will be displayed in here, but what you're looking for is going to be the FPS limit settings. Now, by default, it's going to be set to 0. So I would highly recommend you to update this and set this to the what your PC can actually handle. Like usually 60 is a good starting point here, but if your PC can handle like 100 or 120, depends on your PC, you can go and just increase the value as you want. Now once you've done that, you just need to save this one. So you can go and just press Control S on your keyboard or click on File at the top left and click on Save. Once you've done that, you could go and just close this file here, right click on it, and you want to go and choose the option that says properties. Now in here, you want to go and choose the option here that says read only, click on apply and okay, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.